Casement windows are a popular choice for Dallas homeowners because they provide excellent ventilation, clear views, and a modern look. Their side-hinged design allows them to swing open like a door, making them easier to operate and clean. However, like any window style, casement windows can develop issues over time, especially in Dallas's hot summers, sudden weather shifts, and occasional high winds. The good news? Most casement window problems can be fixed quickly and effectively by Dallas window professionals. Here are the most common issues homeowners experience and how local experts resolve them. Difficulty opening or closing the window. One of the most frequent complaints homeowners have is that their casement windows become hard to open or close. This problem often happens due to dirt or debris in the window tracks, dried or worn out lubrication, rusted or damaged hinges, warping from Texas heat. How Dallas experts fix-it professionals inspect the hinges, operators, and tracks to identify the source of friction. They may clean and lubricate all moving parts, replace worn cranks or hinges, realign the frame, upgrade corroded components. Because heat can cause metal parts to expand, Dallas technicians also ensure the window has proper spacing to operate smoothly throughout the year. Window doesn't stay open or slams shut. Casement windows rely on their crank mechanism to hold them in place when open. If a window refuses to stay open, or suddenly slams shut, it often means the operator arm or support hardware is failing. How Dallas experts fix-it professionals will replace faulty operator arms, install sturdier friction hinges, adjust tension to ensure controlled movement. Dallas window specialists use high-quality replacement parts that withstand the city's frequent temperature shifts and strong gusts of wind. Air leaks or drafts around the window. If you feel a draft around your casement window, worn-out weather stripping is usually the culprit. In Dallas, where summers are extremely hot, even a small air leak can drive up energy costs. Drafts may be caused by hardened or cracked seals, warped frames, improper installation, loose locking mechanisms. How Dallas experts fix-it professionals will replace weather stripping with new, energy-efficient seals, tighten or repair the locking system, re-square the window for a better fit, check for installation gaps, and apply proper insulation. Fixing drafts is especially important in Dallas, where AC usage is high and small gaps can make indoor cooling much less efficient. Condensation between the glass panes. Moisture or fog between the panes of a casement window usually indicates a failed seal within the insulated glass unit, IGU. Once the seal breaks, the insulating gas escapes, reducing energy efficiency. How Dallas experts fix-it. Depending on the severity, technicians may replace the IGU, glass-only repair, recommend a full window replacement if the frame is also compromised. Dallas experts often suggest upgrading to modern low-E, argon-filled glass to improve insulation and reduce heat gain. Window frame warping or damage. Extreme heat and sun exposure, common in Dallas, can cause older wood frames to expand, contract, or rot. Vinyl and aluminum frames can also warp if they're poor quality or have endured years of direct sunlight. How Dallas experts fix-it. Professionals may reinforce the frame, replace damaged sections, recommend full frame replacement for severe warping, upgrade homeowners to more heat-resistant materials. Modern casement windows are designed with improved UV protection, making them much more durable in Texas climates. Broken or stiff crank handles. Casement window cranks can wear out, especially if they're frequently used or exposed to heat. How Dallas experts fix-it. Technicians will replace the crank system, lubricate all mechanical components, adjust the sash to reduce pressure on the crank. A smooth operating crank keeps your window functional and secure. Dallas experts keep casement windows performing their best. Casement windows are highly functional and attractive, but they require proper maintenance and occasional repair, especially in Dallas's challenging weather conditions. Local professionals have the tools, expertise, and replacement parts to fix issues quickly and ensure your windows remain energy efficient, secure, and easy to operate. Whether your casement windows are sticking, leaking, or showing signs of wear, calling a Dallas window expert is the fastest way to restore comfort, beauty, and performance to your home.